Ever since things shifted in my life, I've been leaning into staying busy and productive. And honestly, it's been such a good change. I didn't realize how much time and energy I could pour back into myself. These days, mas focused ako, clear yung goals ko, especially when it comes to growing my businesses and building the life I want. I also get to spend most of my time with my fur babies, which makes everything feel grounded. Right now, I'm working towards having my own space someday so I can finally have all of them with me comfortably. So this new chapter is really about routines that work for me, running my steakhouse, managing my Airbnb, and sharing my simple, realistic day-to-day life. So if you're into that, I'd love for you to stay and subscribe. Hello guys, come spend the day with me. Yes, as a business owner, and let's do a solo date na rin. You know naman how millennials are, kailangan maging productive yung day para sulit, especially na ang tataas na ng mga bilihin and ng oil. Our agenda for today is head straight to Trinoma. Been a while since I went to Trinoma. Na-miss ko yung sense of familiarity. Huy! Sense of familiarity. Kasi today yung statement date ko. So, tomorrow tayo bibili ng mga stuff para after 51 days pa. So, I learned this kay Sir Jax. So, ito siya. Bukod sa ate ko and sa kuya ko, ako nagtatanong, nanonood ako ng mga videos ni Sir Jax. Baka makatulong din sa inyo na nagsastart pa lang mag-credit card. And para hindi kayo mabaon sa utang, I'm gonna check out some cafe. I think marami nang nag-open sa Trinoma. So, tingnan natin kung saan tayo kakain. But, let's do it on a budget. So, yun yung challenge ko for today. Sobrang strict ko na sa sarili ko ngayon since ang dami nang ang bilihin, ang dami kong responsibilities as a breadwinner, as a restaurant owner, and as an animal rescuer. So tara, come spend the day with me. Actually guys, hindi talaga ako magva-vlog, pero sayang kasi lahat ng gagawin today, pwede siyang i-vlog. So let's do a content out of it because as a breadwinner, kailangan maraming streams of income. And sayang din kasi kumikita na nga ako sa YouTube, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, and Instagram via brand deals. Let's be cringe, guys. Okay lang yan. I'm gonna take you along with me today. Alis na me, bye. Okay, busy sila. Bye-bye. Guys, I'm using Kiko Milano in the shade. In the shade 105. Link ko below. I love Kiko Milano products. Nagustuhan ko siya. Bumili pa ako ng dalawa. If you have an Osmo Pocket 3, bilhin nyo to. Super perfect nito. Kasi, ayan o. Tapos malapad yung base niya para hindi maggewang-gewang. I'll link this below. Cute! Oh my gosh! Pang matcha ba to? Pwede, no? Dami na pala nag-open na stores. So, check natin later. Balikan ko to dahil hindi ko naman siya kailangan. Looking for yung mga glasses. This one is nice. How much? $99.75. More here. Kaya lang ang nipis. This one also is nice. $159. Uy, mayroon na rin silang ganito. This is $79.75. Tapos thick na siya. Pang matcha. Pero sobrang nipis. Pero $49.75 lang. Slightly thicker. $79.75. Excuse me po, saan pa yung mga wok? Canvas muna tayo. Steak knife kay Gordos. Electric fan. Rice cups. Peeler basting brush. So many mixing bowls. So may sukat. Carafe pitcher. $109.75. Next up, Gordos. Parang meron kasi silang steak knives na $79 tapos 2 pieces na siya. They're on sale also. This one. Ayan na. Katakot, diba? 2 sets. $175 dalawa na. Yung parang kay Nara Smith. Appetizer plate. $425. Oh my God, ang nice sana. Kaya lang mahal. $250. Punta tayo dun sa mga new cafe that opened sa baba. Quick stop at IKEA. Nadaanan ko bago bumaba. Sobrang liit ng showroom nila dito as in. Yan lang yung mga knives nila. Knife set. pa-renovate yung condo namin. Yung pang Airbnb. Soft close na siya. Excuse me po, paano po usually magpa-quote for renovation ng mga cabinets? Renovation ba tawag?
Kitchen cabinet.
Oo, kitchen cabinet.
Kailan meron talaga yung measurement?
Kailangan may measurement.
Topic talaga yung CPA at PH mo.
Okay.
So, either Pasay or dito sa QC.
Okay. So, yan lang measurement and then sa website.
Website ko.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Now we know. O nga naman, kailangan sukatin muna. So, sa lower ground ng Mary Grace, yung mga new cafes. Oh, may little floor. Age proper here, bird being doon. Dito na lang tayo kasi mas magandang ilaw. How to be seated? Or punta na lang kayo?
For dining.
For dining. Just one na. Tagal lumapit. Mas wala pa na malaman. Thank you. Ang dami. Meron siyang magazine. Yung menu nila. Signature drinks. Kailangan ko ng help. Ano pong bestseller niyo sa signature drinks?
Pero may mga bago po kami na ma'am, drinks.
Alin?
Ano ko lang po yung menu.
Sige po. Hindi pa pala lahat yun.
Dati po ma'am, ito lang po yung signature drinks.
Okay, tapos eto na lahat. Alin po yung medyo sweet? May Spanish latte ba kayo? Wala. Anong pinakamalapit doon? Wait lang, kuya. Try ko tong macadamia cold brew with cold foam. Okay, yan na lang. Try ko po poke bowl. Tapos pwede po maka-request ng wifi.
Wala po.
Wala kayong wifi.
Yan naman may issue.
May paano to? Walang wifi. Ano magtatrabaho? This is their poke bowl. Let's eat. Oh my God, ang dami. Ba't parang basa yung rice? Big bite. Bakit? Thank you po. Buti nandito ka, sir. Kain. Let's eat. Yay! Okay, better lighting. Medyo spicy siya, yung seaweed. So, fresh with the mango. Then, may konting sesame oil. The protein could be, mas marami sana, mas okay. Hindi match yung ratio niya sa rice. Ayun! Wow! Ayan! Ang laki! Sige po. Thank you, sir. Thank you. This is my macadamia latte. Medyo off lang pala ako sa rice. Yung iba parang medyo matigas. Hindi ko sure. Not for me. Work muna tayo, pambayad dito. Buti na lang, bayad ng isang brand. So, may panggastos tayo today, guys. Calculated tong gastos na to. Try ka mag-work for an hour? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see kung gaano katagal tong likod ko. Kasi mag-grocery pa ako. Flat one. Sarap. Nice yung lagyan nila.